it's Dustin with Custom Offsets TV on the YouTube, and we are back. Now, if it looks like I am literally a living zombie, it's because I basically am. I flew back in last night at about 11 o'clock from the one and only SEMA Show 2021, and it was incredible. We had a great time. We hung out there. There's a bunch of really cool builds. I got to ride along with Vaughn Gittin Jr., which was absolutely insane by itself. We had an absolute blast. But I know that a lot of you guys maybe weren't there. You might have missed it, so don't worry. We're gonna bring it all to you. It was a crazy show. There was huge trucks. There was chain-bodied old international trucks. There was wide-body Lamborghini Countaches. There, everything that you could think of was there. It was incredible. We had a great time. We met up with a ton of people, and it was awesome. However, one of the coolest things is we brought the giveaway truck down there, parked at the TIS booth, which was awesome. If you haven't heard about that, we're doing a giveaway, giving away a truck, and better yet, we're donating to a charity. This time, it's the Warrior Built Foundation. Super cool group of guys dedicated to helping veterans. You can check all that out at customoffsets.com/giveaway. And with that, I just want to say that if you guys missed SEMA, don't worry. Like I said, we got you. We're actually gonna I'm not even gonna say, just roll the montage. Well, there you have it, guys. There is our take on the SEMA Show 2021. Again, we had a great time. I got to meet a bunch of you guys and hang out with you, which was super cool. As a reminder, if you want to get your truck ready for the SEMA Show or pretty much anything else, you can pick all that stuff up at customoffsets.com. And of course, what was your favorite part about the SEMA Show? Let us know down in the comment section below. With that, I'm Dustin. We'll see you next time. Peace.